snowy and getting dark. Bad weather for having a running light out. And I believe on this vehicle our left running light is not working. Our right running light is working. Taillight. No taillight on this side, so that's our problem. We got to figure out what's going on, and I don't think it's the bulb because we replaced the bulb, and I actually replaced the whole plastic fixture and still no light, so we've either got a fuse or we've got a problem with the wire, and that's what we're going to look into. To remove the taillight assembly, there's just a thumb screw here, and there's supposed to be one there, but this one actually is broken. Since there's only one, I just have the top one attached. I still need to get this pressed in all the way, but yours will likely look like this. Oh, except for this side's missing the top one and only has the bottom one. Hopefully yours have two of those thumb screws. So the running light is this top bulb here. It's on right now because it's a dual filament bulb. It also does the brake light. So I've got the brake light depressed right now. We will let the brake light off and you can see the bulb goes dead. So the first and most obvious thing is to make sure that your bulb is good. I already put a new bulb in here and you can see both of those filaments are intact. So it's not the bulb, as far as I can tell. Now, into the back, there's 3 different wires. I think the black one is the negative return path. I think the brown with the white stripe is the running light, which is the one we're having a problem with. And the yellow is the brake light. If you've got a new bulb in there, your next most likely spot is either the socket has an issue, which I don't really think ours does, or this connector here has an issue. So this kind of looks like it's been messed with before. And there it is. If it looks really corroded, your problem could be there. Now we can see right there, the brown white wire. That's our running light wire. So we should have 12 volts to that right now. From that to this ground screw, we should have 12 volts. But I checked it already, and unfortunately we are not getting that, because it means it's either a problem somewhere in this harness, or it's like a fuse or something. But I didn't think these were independently fused, so I think we've actually found the problem now. So may just be a fuse. As you can see, this one appears to be broken. 7.5 amp. I've got some fuses here, so let's see if we have the right one. Here is the 7.5 amp fuse. Now, it's possible that this will just burn again, but it goes right here in the box. Slot number 175. I'll put a screenshot of the fuse diagram. But it took a little while for me to figure this out because I got steered wrong by Google search results. The artificial intelligence search engine said that there was not a separate fuse for left and right, so I'd kind of dismissed the possibility of it being a fuse. But I think it was indeed just this fuse. So let's try it out now. Running light, those lights. I'll plug this in. This will be the moment of truth. Plugged in, and we have light again. So, for whatever reason, maybe this will be an ongoing problem, but that fuse was burned. So, this one is left rear running light, and I think one of these ones was right rear. I will put on the screen which one of these in here is the right rear. But that would be the first thing to check. Light bulbs, fuses. Probably start with the fuses. Check fuses. Check the light bulb. Now when you turn the switch on, behold, 2 taillights. That's wonderful. I'll feel much more comfortable driving now. And that's why I don't use AI to try to figure stuff out, because if you just use the search engine, it really is artificial intelligence now, and it will definitely steer you the wrong direction. It was like, just from Google search results, it was saying that the fuse compartment was in the passenger side, and I don't think there's one in the passenger side at all on this 2011 Ford Transit Connect. And then it was saying that there wasn't separate fuses for the running lights in the rear, but there definitely are. So anyway, I hope that this helps you out. Talk to you later.